students, myself Dr. D.P. Godar, Department of Plant Pathology, College of Agriculture, Babrula. Today's topic is on the flagellar arrangement of the bacterial cell. The main function of flagella is movement of the bacterial cell. The flagella is located on the bacterial cell. On that basis, it can be classified into the monotrichous, amphitrichous, lophotrichous, peritrichous, atrichous and cephalotrichous. In short, it is the MALPAC. Monotrichous, amphitrichous, lophotrichous, peritrichous, atrichous and last one is the cephalotrichous. So, trichous means the flagella and mono means single polar flagella is present on the bacterial cell. That is the single polar flagella on the bacterial cell means the monotrichous. Then second one is the amphitrichous. In the amphitrichous, single polar flagella is present on both the side of or both the end of bacterial cell. That is amphitrichous. Then third one is the lophotrichous. Trichous means flagella and lopho means group or tuft. Tuft of flagella is present on one end of the bacterial cell or at both the end of bacterial cell. Then fourth one is the peritrichous. Means flagella is present all over the body of bacterial cell. It is present on the all over the body of bacterial cell means peritrichous. Then fifth one is the atrichous. Atrichous means bacterial cell without flagella. That is absent of the flagella on the bacterial cell. Then last one is the cephalotrichous. Cephalotrichous means two flagella or pair of the flagella is present at one end of the bacterial cell. Here we will see again the monotrichous. Monotrichous means single polar flagella. This is the single polar flagella is present on the bacterial cell, means monotrichous. Then second one is the amphitrichous. Single polar flagella at both the end of bacterial cell. It is present on both the end of bacterial cell, means amphitrichous. Then lophotrichous. Lophotrichous means group of flagella. This is the group of flagella is present at one end or both the end of bacterial cell. Lopho means tuft, or it is also it is the known as a group or tuft or means the group of flagella is present at one end or both the end of bacterial cell. Then peritrichous. Peritrichous means flagella is present on all over the body of bacterial cell. Here flagella is present all over the body of bacterial cell. Then atrichous. Atrichous means bacterial cell without flagella. That is, flagella is absent on the bacterial cell. And last one is the cephalotrichous. Cephalotrichous means pair of flagella or two flagella is present at one end of the bacterial cell. That is C. Cephalotrichous means pair of flagella is present at one end of the bacterial cell. Thank you.